Hey everybody, what's up? If you're wondering how to update your Android version and are wanting to do so in today's video, we will be guiding you step by step for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and start with the process. You can start by accessing up the settings application for that and open it up. And once you open up your Android device's settings app, all you gotta do is go ahead and look out for software update. Scroll down for that for the given options and you can look out for software update option and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can just go ahead and here look out for the latest update available. So for that, what you can do is you can basically go ahead and look out for update. You can look out for the download and install section and tap on it. And when you tap on it here, it will show you all of the available updates. So you can wait for some seconds and it will show you if there is any kind of update available. And once you find an update, what you need to do is the device will show it up. My software is already up to date, but if yours is not, you will be finding a new update option with the install option. You can basically tap on the download or install option or a similar option and follow the prompts to install the update. And once the download is completed, your device will be running the new Android version for your device. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to update your Android version, you just need to follow up this process and make sure your phone has enough storage for that because it requires some space if you want the Android version to be downloaded, and also ensure that your phone has at least a 75% charge to prevent the update from failing or getting stuck. And that's it. So if you'd also like to go ahead and update Android version, you may just head over and follow up these steps for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.